And on my screen right here, it actually says balance right here, $5.24, and this is actually money earned from actually typing out captcha right here on this platform. So for every captcha that you actually type or solve or complete right here on this platform, you're gonna keep getting paid for it. So it's actually very easy for you to type out those captcha, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do so that you can also sign up right here on this platform, so you can also get paid every single time you actually solve, complete or type out captcha right here on this platform. You're actually going to get paid. Into captcha.com on your browser, click on enter right here. It's going to bring you to this page where you get to see where it says to captcha. So this is actually the platform where you get to be making money online every single time that you actually type out, solve or complete captcha on this platform. You're gonna get paid, and as you can see right here, it actually says instant payments right here, which means once you complete captchas right here and you actually made the minimum withdrawal amount, you're gonna be able to instantly withdraw your funds right here. So what you need to do after getting right here is to click on here which says get paid, and after clicking on the get paid, it's gonna bring you right here to this interface right here where you get to actually sign up for an account right here on to captcha. So you can actually put in your email right here, put in your password and input your password right here, and click on here which says I agree to the terms of service, then click on continue, so that way you can actually create an account right here on this platform. Or you can actually sign up with Google right here using your Gmail, or you can sign up with Facebook. So anyone that you actually want, so you can sign up with any option basically. So I'm just gonna sign up using my Gmail right here. So after using your Gmail to sign up, it's going to bring you to this page right here which says I'm a worker, I want to earn money entering text from the images and withdraw my earnings to my online wallet right here. So you want to now select on this first option, then you click on next right here, and after clicking on next, it's going to now bring you to your dashboard right here. It's going to bring you to your account right here. It's going to bring you right here where you get to see all this stuff right here. You get to see where this option which says start work right now. So once you actually click on start work right here, it's now going to bring you to here where it says to earn more funds, please use our apps for Android and Windows desktops. You'll be able to solve captchas with higher rates. So I'm just gonna click off this one right here. Then it's now gonna bring you right here where you get to see all this stuff right here. So what you need to do next is to click on start work, and after clicking on start work right here, it's gonna now bring you to this page right here. So what you want to do is click on here which says I speak this language right here, then you click on save, and after clicking on save as well, it's still gonna show you this option right here. So close this, then you click on start work right here. Then after clicking on start work, it's actually going to give you a captcha right here that you need to complete, and you need to complete this captcha within these seconds, right? Within this time frame, you need to complete this captcha right here. So for you to actually earn, and for you to actually complete this captcha is easy. Just put in the figure that you actually see right here, and afterwards you click on this green mark option right here, and that's how you actually complete captchas right here to actually earn money right here. And as you can see right here, it actually take me to the next captcha that I'm gonna complete. So I'm gonna put in the next captcha right here, and I'm gonna click on this option right here. It's gonna bring another captcha for me to complete right here, and mind you, as I'm doing this captcha right here, I'm also getting paid for completing this captcha right here. So I'm just gonna click on here which says green right here. So I'm gonna click on this option. So the next website which you can earn money while solving a captcha is actually known as this one right here. It's actually difficult for me to pronounce, so you can just put this on your browser right here, and after putting this on your browser, it's gonna now bring in this result, and as you can see, it says earn money while solving captchas right here. So what you need to do is to click on next is to click on this option right here. It's gonna now take you to the website right here, and you can see it's a stable job for everyone everywhere. So what you need to do is scroll down right here, and you're going to see all this stuff right here. You're going to see where it says stability, accuracy and liquidity right here. It says instantly withdraw earn money to advanced cash right here, which is ADV cash, LTC, that's Bitcoin, USDT, or swap to your local bank right here. So what you need to do is click on here which says start working right here, and after clicking on start working, it's going to now take you to this page right here where you get to sign up, and as you can see right here, it actually says just put in your login username right here, then put in your email right here, then you need to now click on here which says register. So afterwards, it's now going to bring you here. You just need to click on here which says I'm not a robot right here, then it's going to now say registration complete. Please check your email your new account password. So you need to now go back to your email right here. So after getting to your email inbox right here, it's now gonna you're now going to have this option right here. So what you need to do is just scroll down right here. So you're going to see your password, you're going to see your login details. So what you need to do right here is you're going to see your login. So after getting to this platform, right, so after getting to your email right here, you're going to see a message right here from this platform. So you get to see your login, and also you get to see your password below right here. So you need to now go back right here to this platform. Then you need to now click on here which says sign in. So that way you can sign into your new account right here. So they're going to ask you to put in this captcha right here. So I'm just going to put in this right here. Then I'm going to click on validate. And you're going to see where it says, so now we are into the account right here. So this is the dashboard right here. This is how the dashboard actually looks like when you actually sign in right here on this platform right here. And what you need to do is to click on here we say start working. That at the top, just click on start working right here. Click on start working right here. It's going to now bring you here. So you get to complete captures right here, and you get to make money. And you can see it's waiting for next available tax right here. So as you can see, what you need to do is just type in the captcha right here. So just type in the captcha. Then you click on here we say submit right here, and it's gonna put in this information right here, waiting for next available tax right here. So you need to now fill in this one as well, this captcha right here. So just put in everything right here. So I'm gonna click on submit right here. So that's how you actually complete tax right here. So that's how you actually complete captcha task right here on this platform.